chiefs and not enough Indians?
Okay.
Yeah. Yeah. That's even better. Here we're putting up the tent for the meeting today. So this is Red Alerts. Yes, Frugal RV Gal. That gentleman named is Bill.
Oh, there you go.
There's Vicky Van Gogh. And there is Lola, lost on land again. And we have also Margie here from RV Ashes in April.
With the instructions.
Yeah,
It's on there.
Frugal's got the instructions.
Oh, Lola, that's funny.
I'm trying to think and nothing's happening. What happened to this guy, right?
I ran off with the directions.
You're the most important person right now.
Okay, we need a 3. Oh, hello, how are you? I missed you guys.
Miss Danny, the diva dog.
Crazy lady dog.
No, the diva dog. The
Diva dog.
Yeah, the diva dog.
Vicky Van Gogh, where's
Oh God, here we go. Ah, I knew it. Blooper.
Oh,
Come here,
God.
baby girl. Yeah. Oh,
I
yeah.
gotta have my bike back at the tent.
You have a can of
Oh, a few of us are doing standby alerts. They got the top part mostly made. So they're looking for other certain parts.
I have a tape.
And that is RV Rebel Gal and her dog,
How are you today?
Diva Danny.
My mom took forever to wake up
Oh,
today.
there we go.
Where's your mama sleeping in the pajamas?
Good morning. It even matches. That's just excellent.
Okay, we got a bunch of rednecks here. They know how to repair things. And here we got the two supervisors.
For something other than a
Yeah, Danny supervising the two other supervisors.
Yeah, she is.
Baby
He's
girl.
like the manager and we're
Yes.
just the supervisor. Yeah.
You so precious, baby.
She didn't want to meet.
Oh, yeah, that's a perfect
come up
face.
to our level.
Yeah.
She wanted me to pick her up, come up to our level.
Okay.
71, 72, and 73.
As you can see, we're starting to get together for the afternoon sign-in.
So now who are you going to introduce me? This is Jeff. You
Jeff from Ashes in April. Yeah, everybody knows that.
I'm Sandy Swanson, so she knew me when I said my name. It's going to be about time is too short, and thank you very much. And stuff like that. What'd you say? No, it didn't rain until I got here.
Hi, Frugal.
Just kind of wherever.
The good thing is,
Oh, you were asking about
there's the minute dad.
Got lots of people still signing in. And here we got a special guest that's coming in view here. It's Neil.
It's Jeff from RV Ashes in April.
And Neil from No Legs, No Problem TV. Yeah, oh, you just went out of focus there. There you go.
Haven't got a name tag or a sticker
Blooper
tag?
alert.
Yeah, see now I just go whoop and just mess it up entirely.
Yeah, you did. Big blooper alert.
I'm not a nice person.
Yeah.
I'm just nice on camera, my camera.
Only your camera, not anybody else's.
No, because everybody else is a competitor. You know this is your fault.
Anyway, just real quick, there's not a lot of rules or anything to Lolapalooza. There's two. Be kind and have fun. That's it. Darn. Now the state park, they have their own rules, and they're not responsible. Yeah, and but they're not too bad. So one thing though, you don't have to have a fishing license if you want to fish in the state park, as long as your feet are on the state park land. So if you want to go fishing, they even have fishing gear up at the state park office. They'll loan you. So yeah, feel free to take advantage of the lake. So. We've got a lot of events planned, and because of the weather, and again, this is all Candace's fault, but so most people are probably going to do their things up here. Now, if you don't want to do it up here, just write on this board what campsite you'll be doing your event in. So there's a lot going on. Not everybody has to go to everything, obviously, but if there's some things on here that interest you, then this is who's doing them and where they'll be. So, yeah, if you want to look, Neil, since you're doing one, I don't know if you know that or not. So, anyway.
Am I doing one?
Yeah, you are.
Yes, you are.
Okay.
So, yeah, I've got a dry erase marker around here somewhere, and you can just come up and put what campsite you're going to do it in, or if you want to do it here, these tents will be up all weekend. So.
Neil's is at 8:30. It's going to pass out.
It's what?
At 8:30 you're going to pass out.
I was going to say 8:30 in the morning. They don't want to come to my camp that early. No.
It's not storming too bad. So.
We have to change.
Plan is for tonight.
Oh, wait a minute, we don't have reception here.
We don't?
No.
But we have four over there where we are.
Yeah. Verizon, you got for everybody to be down there though. No parking.
Behind Lola's, behind Leanna's there.
That's fine. Yeah, you can do that. That's cool. So we'll play it by ear. We'll do the best we can. Like I said, everything's real fluid. It's all.
Love you, Lola.
Yeah, the fishing swim area has 4 bars.
See, out 4 o'clock Saturday is the potluck dinner. That'll also be up here. Again, it shouldn't be raining Saturday, though. We should be good to go.
It ain't raining now.
So, yeah, if you haven't gotten a sticker yet, feel free. Also, Pierre brought these from Canada, from Yo-Yo Max, the Diet Free Zone, sent us a gift. It's candy from Canada. We don't have this here in America, so
Oh.
if you want to grab a piece.
We already got some candy from Canada.
As long as they last.
Sounds a little naughty
So
when
you
she
guys
says
can
it
do
like
that.
that. I don't know.
We went ahead and set it up. To stay dry. So if you have something for the free table, or if you want to check out the free table, it's at the bathroom right there where the big Lolapalooza banner is. And we'll leave it there all weekend, so feel free to help yourself to cool stuff. I already saw some neat stuff out there. So I've got t-shirts if you guys ordered t-shirts.
Yep.
I will just chunk those out at you.
Uh,
Yeah.
2X large.
Should be. And then the first one I pull out, there's a name on it.
Oh, they got names on them? Okay.
Oh, that's Barb. Where is Old Farmer's Wife?
She's out of the way. She'll be here any minute. She's going to make a grand entrance.
Christy isn't here yet. Okay. There's some people out here. See Dubs. Lola.
C-Dub. Dubbers.
So you don't have to be present to win?
Carol.
Nice catch, Carol.
Saucy, I'm just going to hide.
Yeah. Gee, thanks.
Papa Texas.
Papa Texas.
Oh, they'll let anybody in this place. See who just walked up.
Sandy.
I gotta get both hands free here.
I'm not sure. Phonetic.
Hey. Who's that?
Thank you, Vicky.
Yeah. Who is that man?
Who is that master? Who's
The hot tub man.
The law breaker.
Red.
Thank you.
You got another one?
Red alerts. Did you order 2?
Yeah, I got 2. Woohoo! I'm so proud.
Yeah.
Right here. Oh, jeez. Wait a second. There's going to be another one coming, so.
Okay. Leanna.
Thanks. I have both hands ready for that.
Thank you. That one's mine. Is Lori Sherwin? Is Lori Sherwin here?
You gotta watch out for that.
I should be here tomorrow.
Margie's.
I'll take it.
Oh, she's here. She's here. Deborah Paris.
Who?
Deborah Paris. Lila. And Billy Stein.
Right behind.
Oh. No, if you're looking at that ad right there, they're plastic. That's nice.
I have that thing for you. I checked and double checked, and I've got that. But it's been right around in my toolbox, so it'll probably need to be cleaned a little bit. But it's really sweet.
Whoops. They're about to hit your head, aren't they?
You know what? I went and bought another one. I was like, well,
Look at it.
I need one, so I bought another one. But I'll take it because,
I got it out now.
and you know, I went and looked for another, like, you know,
I did this just so I could get line views of it.
It is a weird shape.
I'm holding out for him to do a picture of me someday.
Oh man, I would love that.
Yeah, I got it.
Yeah,
I think that'd be cool. If you did a cartoon of Jeff and I